Hey guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can apply the mood effects on the CapCut mobile. So here, if you guys go to the body effects on CapCut, you'll easily find the mood category. So under the mood category, you'll find lots of mood effects to show your emotion or your mood through a video. For example, if you feel sad, you can use this sad filter, sad effect. And if you feel for example happy, you can use this like, I think, or you can also use this like. So there are two like mood video effect, body effects. So for this video, I'm going to use this like effect. So here you can also adjust the amount, horizontal, vertical size, and also the filter. I'm going to make the filter bigger. You can also adjust the speed. If you done, just click on a check icon and don't forget to adjust the length. So this is the mood effect. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also click on thanks. Bye.